I got to teach you about trigger leads because, well, you are one. If you just had your credit pulled by a trusted mortgage advisor, probably somebody that you want to do business with, what you don't know is that the credit bureaus just went and sold your information to whoever wanted to buy it. So any minute now, you're going to start getting calls from unsolicited mortgage companies trying to get your business. They're going to tell you whatever you want to hear in a lot of cases to get you to switch routes, but just know that you've done the research and you're already with somebody that you trust. If you want to get another look, go out and do your own research, but please don't just answer the phone and start doing business with one of these random companies. Now, if you want to stop getting these, there's a couple things that you can do, but it's still not going to stop. It just is what it is until the laws change. You can go to optoutprescreen.com and choose the 5-year electronic opt-out. You can also register yourself on the do not call list, the national do not call list. Those are the two things you can do to protect yourself, but just know those calls are coming. You don't want to chat with those companies, and you're already most likely working with a trusted mortgage advisor.